The best friend of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was Abu Bakr Siddiq. He was a close companion of the Prophet and his trusted advisor. Abu Bakr was the first adult male to convert to Islam and played a key role in the early Muslim community. He was known for his deep faith, his loyalty to the Prophet, and his wisdom in decision-making. After the death of Prophet Muhammad, Abu Bakr became the first caliph of the Muslim community. Islamic videos biography of Abu Bakr Siddiq. Abu Bakr Siddiq was born in Mecca in 573 CE into a wealthy and respected family of the Banu Taim clan of the Quraysh tribe. His father's name was Abu Quhafah and his mother's name was Khayr. Abu Bakr was known for his honesty, generosity, and intelligence from a young age. As a young man, Abu Bakr became a successful businessman and traveled extensively in Arabia and beyond. He was known for his fairness and integrity in his business dealings, which earned him the nickname As-Siddiq, which means the truthful one. Abu Bakr was one of the earliest converts to Islam, accepting the religion in its early days when it was still facing significant opposition from the people of Mecca. His conversion had a profound impact on the early Muslim community, as he was a respected member of society and his acceptance of Islam lent credibility to the religion. Abu Bakr was a close friend and confidant of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He accompanied the Prophet on many of his journeys and was present with him during important events, such as the migration to Medina. Abu Bakr's loyalty and devotion to the Prophet were unwavering, and he was known for his quick wit and wise counsel. After the death of Prophet Muhammad, Abu Bakr became the first caliph of the Muslim community. During his reign, he oversaw the expansion of the Muslim empire, including the conquest of Syria and Iraq. He was known for his simple lifestyle, his concern for the welfare of the Muslim community, and his devotion to the teachings of Islam. Abu Bakr died in 634 CE, just 2 years after he became caliph. He was succeeded by Umar ibn al-Khattab as the second caliph of the Muslim community. Abu Bakr's legacy as a trusted advisor, a loyal friend, and a devoted servant of Islam continues to be remembered and revered by Muslims around the world.